welcome back to the crew. I'm still getting used to the new name. But anyways, so I'm having one of those moments where I saw Tampa Bay's Dave Osterberg's weather forecast, and we have a small window of opportunity for sunshine today. Like, today's it for like the next week and a half. So I'm going to the beach. Drop what I'm doing and I'm going to the beach because carpe diem. Life is too short. I just need to seize the day and enjoy it. So let's go to the beach, people. Let's go.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Keep me in mind. Somewhere down the road you might get lonely. Every rose has its thorn.
That's how you spell friends. Friends.
Walking them the short toss.
You really ain't going nowhere without a fight.
She amazing, amazing. Under my league. Crazy. She's happened to me.
Butts in the mason jar. Felt those good old neon vibes on me. And whatever monkey that was on my back, he jumped off just like that, right into darling, you look perfect tonight.
It's beach time. Check it out. Yay, fun. Let's go. So it is such a gorgeous day out, but first, before I go lay out my blanket, definitely need to get something to eat at the snack shack because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Let's go. So the last time I was at this beach, there was a seagull that swooped in and ate my chicken sandwich. Like, totally stole it from me, just went and took off. It was very disappointing. Not this time. I got it right here. Oh yeah, beach day, here I come. Kind of feeling like I have the whole beach to myself. This is awesome. All right, so I had my lunch and now it is time to just chill, listen to the waves, relax, and enjoy the sunshine before this tropical storm moves in. So I will be here at Honeymoon Beach Island, Florida. It's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I think I'm gonna go in for one more dip before I go home. It's kind of getting really hot out here. I hope I don't drop my phone. That wouldn't be any good at all. Gotta watch out for these shells. I about fell. That's no good. It's never a good idea to take your phone out into the water when you don't have a proper case for it. If I drop this thing, I'm out. Hey, bye! Okay, I'm leaving to go home now to get the girls off the school bus. I thoroughly enjoyed my beach day. I'm not even gonna lie. And now I'm like, what am I doing going back to Indiana? I know. Leaving this beautiful sunshine and the beach for cold weather? What am I thinking? I'm scared now. Very, very scared. I'm rethinking my decision. Why am I so indecisive? So, a few hours have gone by. I did a terrible job of vlogging this evening, mostly because I've been online so much. Like, I got home from the beach, took a shower, and, you know, took care of the kids and stuff, but like, with this class reunion stuff, I've been online so much, interacting with people, so sorry. Now my vlog's gonna be getting kind of late tonight too. So sorry about that, guys. I'll try to do a better job tomorrow. But I hope you had fun going to the beach with me today. It was a good solo trip. Definitely, like, oh my goodness. When I was leaving the beach, I was like, what am I doing? I love Florida. Why am I moving up north? But I do love the people up there. And I am excited to be around just family and friends again. So it's going to be a difficult transition. I foresee a lot of visits to Florida, I think. Well, guys, have a super sparkly night. Tomorrow we have Emma's promotion ceremony. Get excited, people. So I will be videotaping that. And then afterwards she wanted to go to Chili's with a whole bunch of her friends. So I'm sure that'll be mad chaos. Yay. You guys have a fantastic night. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.